Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. It's good to have you here. My name is Adima. I'm a Nigerian fashion designer and YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. So today we'll be learning how to make a backless cowl neck top, just like the one that you're seeing. If it's something you would like to learn, kindly stay tuned. Thank you. The materials needed for this tutorial are listed on the screen. I'll be using 1 yard of bridal satin fabric, but you can use any light fabric of your choice. What I'm doing now is to fold the fabric in bias form, basically just folding it into a triangle as you're seeing it. And now I'm just cutting out the excess fabric. So the next step would be to determine the midpoint of your fabric. So I took the full measurement and then I'm dividing my tape into two to find the center of that and just marking it on the fabric. So from that midpoint, I'll be placing my shoulder measurement divided by 2. My shoulder measurement is 8 inches, but I added 1 inch. The top part will serve as my chest line. So as you can see, I am starting from 6 inches because from the upper part would have a strap, and then I'm just measuring the full length of my blouse, which will be of my top, which will be 17 inches. And then I'm taking the midpoint of that part, and then I'm just marking out my shoulder to bust points line. And then from there I divided my bust measurement by 4 and I added 1 inch for sewing allowance. And then I marked it on both sides. So at the midpoint, I just transferred my shoulder measurements with the 1 inch that I added. I just transferred it. And then I went ahead to cut out my fabric. I went ahead to cut 2 strips of 29 inches long and 2 inches wide. I cut it off camera, so now I'm just showing you how you fold it, and then I sewed it off camera, and this is what it looks like. The next step will be to join the sides, so I'm just pinning it down like so, and ensure that you pass your ropes inside, that you place your ropes inside just like I'm doing now, and then place it, pin it down, and then sew it with your sewing machine. Make sure it's at the edge, at the top edge, and I'll sew it off camera and show you how it turned out. This is what I have after sewing it. Next thing will be for me to put a band on the waist. So I'm just going to measure the midpoint of my waist. For that I folded the fabric into 2. The midpoint is 8.5 inches. So I went ahead to cut my band off camera. It is 5 inches wide by 60 inches. Now I'm marking the midpoint of the waist. I folded the waistband into 2 and then I marked the midpoint of the waist. Now I'm going to fold my fabric into 2 and then just sew it across. just sew it straight, and I'll stop at that midpoint that I marked. This is what I've done. I'm going to try to sew it off camera. This is how it looks. I left space for the upper part of my top. So the next thing I'll do is just to put the top in between like this, holding the top and the bottom of the waistband by 0.5 inches, that's half an inch, and then I'll just sew it through off camera. This is what I have after sewing through. This is the final look. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.